Hello and welcome to the training for Palco's EVV solution. Today, I will be showing you how to install the application on your phone or your tablet. First, you're going to want to open a browser on your internet connected device. Now, if you're using a phone or a tablet, these may be called different things. So, if you're on an Apple device, you could use Safari, or if you're using an Android device, you might be using Chrome, or maybe it's simply called Internet. What you're going to do is you're going to go to connect.palcofirst.com by typing that in the address bar at the top or at the bottom, wherever it's located. Again, that is connect.palcofirst.com. From there, you're going to want to sign into Connect using your login information. If you don't already have a Connect account, you'll need to create one. You can do that by clicking on Register Now at the bottom of this page. Once you've completed all of that, you can come back to this step. Now, we're going to log in using that information, our email address and the password that we set up. We're going to click on the I'm Not a Robot option here with the reCAPTCHA, and then we're going to sign in. Now, once we sign in, you'll notice something on the home page here that says Add to Home Screen. It's actually a little tool that we've added to help you install the Connect application on your device. So go ahead and click on that. And when you click on that, it's going to show a little pop-up window. That pop-up window tells you how and where the Add to Home Screen option is located. On this device, it is located here at the bottom. You're going to tap that box with an arrow going through it. And then you're going to search for the Add to Home Screen option. On an Android device, you're going to be looking for three dots stacked on top of each other. Again, this will be pointed out when you click on that Add to Home Screen option there. We're going to go ahead and click on the option as it says. And then we're going to quickly scroll to see Add to Home Screen here. And we're going to click Add to Home Screen. And it should look very similar to this. You can rename it if you wanted to, but we're not going to do any of that. We're just going to keep it as Connect because that's what the EVV application is called. And just click Add. And once we've done that, you'll notice that the Connect application has been added to your phone. From here, you're going to want to fill in your information again, sign in again using the application. Same way that we did before, and click Sign In. And now you're going to be ready to use the EVV option here using the Palco Connect app. All you'll have to do is go to Time Entry and then start your EVV clock-ins from here. And that is how you install the Palco Connect EVV application on your phone or your tablet.